outdoors!
My sustainability tip is to enjoy the outdoors. That's a great way to remind yourself why you care about sustainability in the first place. So that being said, me and my friend Catherine are gonna go for a walk in the snow.
One way to engage in sustainability at home and relax at the same time is to watch a documentary on a sustainability-themed topic.
And don't forget, as a Tufts student, you have access to Canopy, where documentaries on lots of topics can be found.
Hi guys, this sustainability at home tip is repairing what you already own rather than buying something new. So I'm going to show you something that I am repairing right now. So here you can see everything I gathered to repair my broken French press. So this guy, which I've had for 5 years and used to make coffee almost every day, fell off the counter while I was washing it and I broke the lid. So I'm taking this opportunity to do a deep clean and revitalize of my French press so that it'll hopefully last another 5 years. So I already deep cleaned everything using white vinegar and water, and now I'm going to glue this handle back together. So after sanding, this is what it looks like. Nice and put back together, definitely functional, but I'm going to use a little bit of this mineral oil to add some shine back in because this is some unfinished wood. In the future, I'm probably going to use something more sustainable, but this is what I have right now, and sustainable use is using what you have first. After adding the mineral oil, you can see that it has a nice shine to it. You can still see a little bit where the cracks were, but I don't mind that at all. It's totally functional, beautiful, and ready to be put back together. Good as new, and ready to make some more coffee.